Hey guys! Welcome to Digirty WinX DVD channel. Today I'm gonna to show you how to convert AVI to MP4 with WinX HD Video Converter Deluxe. You know, AVI stands for Audio Video Interleaved, which enjoys built-in support in all the Microsoft's Windows platform. As a container, it holds videos and audios utilizing different codecs like XVID and DivX. AVI file doesn't need substantial compression to store files. Thus AVI video is usually delivered with fantastic picture quality and big file size, which stops AVI from playing on iPhone or Android mobiles. You need Convert AVI to MP4 for better compatibility and smaller size. WinX HD Video Converter Deluxe allows you to do that within 3 clicks. Launch it and click Video to load your AVI file. An output profile window pops up automatically. Go General Profiles and select MP4 video as output format. Optionally, you can also tweak video frame rate, aspect ratio, resolution, audio settings, and make some basic editings like adjust audio volume, add subtitles, crop and trim with this program. Tick on the box of Use High Quality Engine to enhance output video quality, and tap Run button to start converting AVI to MP4. If your computer configuration is high enough, the hardware acceleration will be enabled automatically, boosting the AVI to MP4 encoding to 47x real-time faster. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful and it solved your problem, don't skimp to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.